take a thick bottomed pan and heat it for 2 minutes. In that we are going to put 2 to 3 tablespoon oil, and again we are going to heat it for 1 minute. Once the oil is hot, add in roughly chopped 6 to 7 garlic cloves. Now add in finely chopped onion before the garlic turns brown. Now after this, let's fry the onion for 2 minutes until it turns translucent. Please do not add any salt while frying the onions. Now time to add the button mushroom, which is already been cleaned and washed, and I have cut the mushroom into 2 pieces, the small ones, and if it is big, so I have cut it into 4 pieces. So almost 400 grams of mushrooms I'm using in this recipe. After this, let's stir fry the mushrooms for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now after this, I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. If you want, you can also use 6 to 7 peppercorns, crushed peppercorns in this recipe. Now let's add some parsley in this. So I have the dry parsley, I'm using this. If you have the fresh one, you can go ahead and add the fresh ones. How can we forget to add chili flakes? That's gonna add a lot of smoky taste to your mushrooms. So add it as per your taste. Now just mix the spices nicely, and as you can see, the mushrooms and onion have secreted a lot of water, which is good for the spices because all our spices which we have put right now gonna blend nicely with mushrooms. Now let's cover and cook it for like 12 to 13 minutes, and don't forget to stir in between. Now let's have a look at our pepper garlic mushroom. It's looking so yummy, and this is the right time to add salt in our mushroom. And the reason why we didn't add it before, because if you're adding salt in any mushroom recipe, it's gonna extract all the moisture out of the mushroom. And now let's add some red chili powder to it, and yes, of course, as per your taste. So now let's fry it for 1 to 2 minutes more. And yes, in many of the mushrooms recipe, I have seen when people add salt in the beginning, it actually dries out the mushroom and it extracts all the moisture out of the mushroom, and the mushroom becomes so chewy and hard to eat. So that's the reason in any of my mushrooms recipe, I always prefer to add salt at the end and not in the beginning. Our garlic pepper mushroom is ready. You can have this mushroom as a tea time snack with your tea, or you can use it as a topping in your noodles or fried rice, or even as a topping in pizza.